The filter function in DAX is a powerful function that returns a table containing a subset of rows from a specified table or expression based on a filter condition. It is commonly used in combination with other DAX functions to create dynamic measures that adapt to specific filtering criteria in reports. Key features of filter. Row context creation. Filter operates in a row context, evaluating each row in a table against the specified condition. Dynamic filtering. It allows for more dynamic and complex filtering scenarios that can drive powerful data insights. Can be used with calculate. Filter is often used within the calculate function to apply additional filtering criteria to a measure. Basic syntax. The syntax for the filter function is as follows. DAX. Filter, less than table greater than, less than expression. Table greater than, this is the table from which you want to filter rows. Expression greater than, this is a logical expression that determines which rows to keep. Example, calculating sales for a specific product category in year. Let's say you want to calculate the total sales for a specific product category, furniture, for the year 2023. You can achieve this using the filter function in combination with calculate. Creating a measure for total furniture sales in 2023. DAX. Total _furniture _sales _2023. Calculate. Sum, sales, sales amount. Filter. Products. Products, category, equals, furniture. Filter. Date. Date, year, equals 2023. Explanation. Sum, sales, sales amount. This expression calculates the total sales amount from the sales table. Filter, products. Products, category, equals, furniture. This filter function restricts the product data to only include rows where the category is furniture. Filter, date. Date, year, equals 2023. This filter function further restricts the date data to include only the year 2023. Combining filter with calculate for more complex scenarios. You can also use filter to create even more complex measures. For instance, if you want to calculate the total sales for furniture products with sales greater than $500. DAX. Total _furniture _sales _over _500. Calculate. Sum, sales, sales amount. Filter. Products. Products, category, equals, furniture. Filter. Sales. Sales, sales amount, greater than 500. Explanation. Filter, sales. Sales, sales amount, greater than 500. This additional filter narrows the results to include only those sales transactions where the sales amount exceeds $500, alongside the existing filter for the furniture category. Best practices for using filter. Avoid overfiltering. Be cautious with the filter function, as excessive filtering can lead to performance issues. Always strive for efficient filtering. Combine with calculate for enhanced functionality. Using filter within calculate is a powerful combination that enables you to create highly specific measures. Use variables. Consider using variables to store intermediate calculations or filter conditions, which can improve readability and performance. Common interview tip. In interviews, emphasize your understanding of the row context created by filter and discuss how it integrates with calculate to enhance DAX measures. Be prepared to explain the implications of filtering on performance and results.